At IMC, we don't model sessions. We crash them. In the car world, the goal of a crash test dummy is to see the effect an altercation has on a passenger. A safety engineer knows no satisfaction with a clean dummy. It means the test didn't work. Likewise, if the end of the routine shows a perfectly coiffed, barely glowy trainer, speaking complete sentences with no hesitation, they modeled form, but they demonstrated no intensity. We prefer this training style for beginner students until they learn proper form. The crash test dummy is an advanced trainer or client very familiar with the method and machines and able to push themselves to intensity safely and effectively. Their goal is to demonstrate a real workout pushed to the near edge of their abilities, yet maintaining form. Each of our routines are also crashed, vetted multiple times before being released to the wild to our online platform. Before being stamped IMC product, we note transition times, any confusing areas, awkward sequencing, and any negative after effects like muscle soreness or injury. We also track heart rates and compare all of this data across our client base for effectiveness. Routines that don't make the cut don't make the library.